Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today is Friday. Let's do an unboxing. I got this a few hours ago. It's a cheap multi-tool. So it's multi-tool Friday, yay. So it comes with a belt clip, stainless, I believe, stainless belt clip. It just say tool and then stainless here. Okay. Other side, same. Has bits, Phillips flathead and a small flathead. Okay, and you twist this, get size that you need to. I just don't know if this is really usable since it feels flimsy. Maybe for light jobs. What I like is the pliers. So for you to use the pliers, you press it down, unlock this. There you go. Okay, lock. Okay, knife looks sharp. It doesn't lock, but it's fairly rigid. Okay, but small knife. Look at the size. And what else? Oh, tighten. You're gonna put the bolts here. Let me see something. How do I get this? Is my first time getting this, so bear with me. This doesn't look like it. How do you take it off? Nope. I don't want to ruin my nail. This is for the locking. Other way. It's too tight. But you use these 3 bits here and it will turn either way. Okay, so this is just a cheap multi-tool I got from eBay. Just want to show you. No testing it. Maybe in my next camping adventure. I got this for $12.99, let's say 13 bucks shipped. Thanks for watching.